Now, let us try another example. Okay, step 1. I will write first the given. Okay, the given polynomial is 6x squared plus 3x. Okay, step 1, find the GCMF. How to find the GCMF? First, let us focus on the numerical coefficient. How many terms do we have? 2 terms. Sa first term, ano yung numerical coefficient? Okay, very good. Pag sinabing numerical coefficient, ito yung number. At ano po yun? 6. Sa second term, ano yung numerical coefficient? 3. Then after that, find the GCMF. How to find the GCMF? Step 1 na. Sulat natin lahat ng factors ni 6. Give me a factors of 6. 3 times? 2. Ano pa po? 6 times? Laging meron ha, laging may 1 and itself. Meron pa po ba? Wala na po. Proceed naman tayo sa pangalawa. Ano yung pangalawang number? Give me a factors of 3. 3 times 1. Then after that, encircle the common factors. Ano po kaya yung common factors sa kanilang dalawa? 1 at ano pa po? 3. Now the question is, what is the greatest?
Yung 3.
Okay, very good. Therefore, this is the GCF. Do you understand? Now, proceed naman tayo, anak, kay literal coefficient. Ano naman po yung literal coefficient? Yung variable naman po. Okay, anong variable sa first term? X.